Hey guys, Spencer here, and this is going to be a review, and we'll actually show you a demo on my own teeth as well of the Crest teeth whitening strips. So don't worry, we'll talk about if they hurt, we'll talk about if they actually work and do what they're supposed to do, and then we'll kind of talk about what is in the box. So the first thing is kind of confusing because they say there's 2 treatments plus the 1 hour express. That was super confusing to me. So in total, there's 24 strips in there. And what there is there's 2 strips in each of the cases because you have a top and bottom strip. So really just think of it as 12 different applications. Now of these 12 applications, 10 of them are called the Vivid Plus treatment. That's just the standard treatment, just the normal, basically the main stuff. But it comes with 2 1 hour express treatments. And what those are, from what I understand, is just an extra strong dose. So they work extra fast, maybe in case you've got something going on that day or something that you need whiter teeth for. So it comes with 10, which is a 10-day treatment, and then 2 express, like uber powerful ones that you can use as well. And so we'll show you actually, we'll take a picture now in the exact same lighting. We'll show you exactly the same lighting in 10 days after we've used these for 10 days and show you if they actually work. And then I'll kind of talk about whether or not it hurt. So each of the normal Vivid treatments comes in a bag just like this, easy to open. You rip down the side, and then inside you'll see that there are 2 strips, one for your top and one for your bottom teeth. Now I'm going to take these, and the way they apply is you just grab them, you kind of get them off, they're really sticky, they look like this, and then you put them right up against your gums, make sure you can see that, right up against your gums like that, and then you fold it over. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing on your bottom, and then you'll leave it. I can't remember if they say the directions in there, but you leave it free for 30 minutes or an hour, and 30 minutes it looks like every day. And so I'm going to do this every day for the next 10 days, and then I'll talk about whether or not they hurt, and I'll show you what my teeth look like at the end.
All right, so we'll be talking about how it worked. It's definitely wider. I don't know if the camera can tell it or not. I wouldn't say it's white like a celebrity white, but I imagine they spend a lot more money and do a lot more things. They're absolutely, definitely wider teeth. Got rid of some of kind of the yellowish stains that were at the top. They kind of used to hang out right near the gums. As far as total, here, I'll show you one more time. You can tell. As far as total pain goes, it was not bad. It was a little uncomfortable. I noticed that the days I actually put it on, a few hours later, it was a little bit uncomfortable. I wouldn't describe it as pain, just kind of like a slight feeling. Other than that, it was a really good experience. They stick on really well. Everything went well, really easy to use. Had no issues with any of that. And nice to kind of get rid of some of those yellowish stains that were bugging me a little bit.